We're gonna use it to cut off one of my husband's balls. What up, my peoples? Unboxing time or package opening. Whatever. Joe got this in the mail. He ordered this from Tiktolandia. Check this out. Watch. Watch. ASMR. Just kidding. Fancy little box. Do you know what this is? Fancy little box. Fancy little box. Ooh, let's open it up right quick. Okay. So, basically, I can get it open right quick. Well, that took about 5 minutes. Ooh. This is called a mole removal pen. Okay, got it from TikTok. Look at this. Got the little needles. Is it a couple needles? I don't know. I'll judge it right here. And this thingy my bob. And it comes with the charger. You know what we're finna use it for? Yeah. We're gonna use it to cut off one of my husband's balls. Alright, and it says to prep it with some alcohol, so that's what we're finna do. I got no cotton swabs here, so we're finna use this. Alrighty, this is what it looks like. If you don't like this type of stuff, you're finna have to exit out.
I feel like it's gonna hurt because it's like in a sensitive spot right there.
It is. It sure is. And then if you go like this, we're gonna have to lift it, guys, and then burn like the sides, and I can see little veins. All right, so I'm supposed to clean it, but I'm just gonna throw a little alcohol like around it, just, you know. Yeesh. I feel weird with things like these, guys. It's weird. I feel weird. Eat. Okay, ready for the pain?
Yeah.
Alright, guys. This is what it looks like. Turn it on, and we're going to put it on level, what, 5?
No, yo creo.
It even turned on.
Huh?
It even turned on, like, the color.
I think maybe even higher, no?
It's up to you.
It's gonna hurt.
Ah! Alright, I decided to put on gloves, guys, so you can see everything good. I'm going to zoom it in a little bit so you guys can see the full action.
Maybe, you know,
It's ready. And then it focuses on, yeah, this. We're going to start with right here, real quick. Ready? You ready?
Ah!
I haven't even touched you yet. Ready? Ready?
Ah! Wait! Ah! Wait! No, for real though. Wait.
Alright, guys. That's still the same spot, even though it looks lowered.
Pero remember that de lado, like, you know, do it. Para que no me vayas a picar, like.
I know that. Are you ready? I'm about to do it.
A ver, hit it at the skin tag. A ver qué hace la skin tag.
Hit it on the skin tag?
On the actual skin.
On the bola?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Just to see if it hurts. Ah! It hurts!
It smells like burnt skin. Mira, pues, do you want it on one then?
No, it needs to, it's gonna burn.
Well, it's skin.
¿Sí le hizo algo?
Yeah. Did a little rajada and it's, yeah.
Okay,
It's like if we're injuring your skin, that's what it is, son.
okay, do it.
I can try to hurry up, but
Yeah,
it's still gonna hurt.
try to hurry up, but like I said,
And then you jumped. Oh my god, I'm
that's what
scared.
I'm saying, like,
All right, you ready?
stop. ¿Sí se miran ahí?
Hmm?
Wait,
I'm gonna do.
wait. Wait! Wait! Okay, hold on. I'm gonna be like this though. Please.
You need. You ready? Hold on and bite on something. I'm holding it down with the tweezer. Are you ready or not? Okay, so do it on one first.
No, like.
Well, do one
like
real quick.
One, and then like that, and then I'll let you know.
No te vayas a echar un pedo en mi cara, eh. You good?
Mhm.
Okay. Good?
Yeah, is it working?
Yeah, it looks burnt. That's one. That's one orilla.
What is it? What? En cuál level is it?
On 5.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. You're doing good. You're doing good. But I need you to turn around now. That way. Acuérdate, eres batonón. You could do this. Yes, you can. It's getting frustrated. It's getting all white. Nada más me falta aquí. Oof. It smells like burnt skin.
You don't have to just.
No, morro. Not even a little bit. Especially if it has a big old cut on the skin like that.
La va a arrancar. That's the point of it. Ni modo que nomás la queme, pero no la arranca, no la va a arrancar.
This is literally chopping it off.
Yeah, that's the point.
Ugh.
That's the point. ¿Estaba grabando?
Sí.
That's-
Sí. Ew. I made a big cut on your skin now. Ahí va. It's because it looks creepy. So nasty. ¿Ahora sí te duele?
No, pues sí me duele. It burns. Smell the burn.
Oh no, ya ni puedo ni ver. Ya tan...
No, ya apague si quiere.
Freaking marble. Like the. See? Ugh.
And tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna have it there. And tomorrow, I'm gonna cut it, and we're gonna see the inside of it.
Ew.
Yeah, it's weird.
Ugh.
Ugh. A little hair.
Told you.
Yeah. Wait. Stay tuned for tomorrow.
Focus. Focus. Ew. Ah. Okay, bye. This is what it looked like. Like that. Like that. Ugh. That's so gross. Now we're just gonna use some of this stuff on there.